How to contact Santander Bank customer service for support. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. At the top you can see this search box, type in there santanderbank.com. You will be directed to the official page of Santander Bank. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see this option of Hi, I am Sandy. From here you can contact Santander Bank customer service for support. You can click on it. And over here you will see this chat box. From here you can easily start the conversation. You can ask any question relating to the Santander Bank services. You can see that I have asked a question and here it is giving me the answers. If you have any problem or confusion regarding Santander banking services, you can just clear it out by having the conversation with this Sandy. Likewise, anything you can do is open a new tab and search for Santander Bank customer service. You will land to this kind of page. Now here is the number. You can contact them by calling the customer service center at number given over here. So these are the ways to contact Santander Bank customer service for support. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.